Unveiling the secrets, the charm of an old family recipe. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a flavorful topic that's close to many hearts and homes: the meaning and cultural significance of the phrase, old family recipe. Whether you're a food lover or simply curious about English expressions, this video is your gateway to understanding this heartwarming phrase. An old family recipe refers to a cooking recipe that has been passed down through generations within a family. These recipes are not just about the ingredients or the cooking method, they carry a rich heritage and a bundle of cherished memories. They are treasured because they represent a family's history, traditions, and the love that has simmered in their kitchens for years. The phrase goes beyond the realm of cooking. It's imbued with emotional value and cultural significance. When someone mentions an old family recipe, it often evokes a sense of nostalgia and belonging. It's a bridge connecting the present with the past, allowing individuals to feel closer to their ancestors and cultural roots. Sharing these recipes can also be a way of honoring loved ones and keeping their memory alive. In conversations, when someone shares that a dish is made from an old family recipe, it's not just about boasting culinary skills. It's an invitation to share a personal story and a part of their identity. It signifies trust and intimacy, as family recipes are often regarded as closely guarded treasures. Understanding this phrase's connotative meaning can enrich your communication and deepen your appreciation for cultural nuances in English. In wrapping up, the phrase, old family recipe, is a delightful blend of language, culture, and emotion. It's more than just a set of cooking instructions. It's a testament to family bonds, heritage, and the love that is woven into every dish. We hope this video has not only enhanced your English vocabulary but also stirred a curiosity about the stories and traditions that flavor our lives. Thank you for joining us, and may your language learning journey be as rich and savory as an old family recipe.